Did you know that Men of Nehemiah is not just serving us men, but also our families? When addiction exists, the entire family is impacted. MON Families exists so that relationships can mend and healing can happen throughout the entire family system. When everyone does the work, true transformation happens through learning to forgive, connect, communicate, and set healthy boundaries. Families that grow together are also better equipped to support a lifestyle of recovery and prevent relapse. We offer workshops, family counseling, and recovery support meetings. These help educate family members about addiction, teach them how to effectively support someone that struggles, and provide the tools to build a healthy and loving family that strengthens a community and builds a stronger legacy for future generations.